Hello, in front of me I have REALME P3, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup. Okay, so to create a backup, we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we need to click on the settings. Once we are here, we need to find the chats. Now scroll down a little, click on the chat backup, and now let's describe a few things. So first, we have our Google account. Simply click right in here, and as you can see that this account is currently selected. The selected account is the account on which our backup will be stored. So for example, if you want to restore that backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. Of course, if you want to add another one, simply click on add and log it into your Google account. Below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is set on off, but we have modes such as daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I set backup. Currently I set it on the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to remember about making it. So it's really convenient and comfortable feature. I suggest you should pick also some between of those modes. Below we have option to include the videos in our backup, also pretty useful, make sure it's enabled. And below, if you want, we have the end-to-end encrypted backup. In here, if you turn it on, you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But remember that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats. So you're doing it on your own. Okay, once everything is described, we need to click on the backup button. Now the process will start. Okay, and now our backup has been successfully made. Also remember that you need to have some free Google storage space in your Google Cloud, because if you don't have enough space, there's a chance that you won't be able to create your backup. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.